Hey guys, hope you're doing awesome. If you're new here, karibu sana. You're welcome. If you are already part of this farm, thank you so much for joining me again today. I want to share a DIY. Yes, you can see I have a bottle over here. I want to share a DIY on how to make your own makeup brush holders. I did an Insta story on how I made mine, and the people who got it halfway done already and they asked me to do a tutorial, so I thought, why not? It's some time back, but it's never too late. It's never too late for information and knowledge, right? Yes, it's never too late. I will be showing you how I tan and how you can also tan your plastic bottles, maybe water bottles or soda bottles, into cute brush holders. You will need a bottle and a blade or a pair of scissors. Because I'm not about being plain, I have some color, some acrylic paint over here, and a brush that I'm gonna use to just add some life to the bottle. Since it's going to be used for makeup brushes, then I'm just gonna cut it over here. So first cut, I'm gonna score it first. There, and then cut all around. It's easier to use scissors to cut all around. It's way easier. So now that you have our bottle ready, it's time to just be creative. You can paint it with whatever colors that you want. I have white and black. I love color, but not today. And I also have a paintbrush, so I'm just gonna put some dots over here and go ahead and paint it. I'm gonna paint the whole of this thing white first. Done now. I'm going to let it dry and then do the black one on top. Now, I wanted to have it in white and black, but then it looked a little bit boring, so I decided to paint it in gold and then white. Have white and gold, just like my other two brush holders. And so I'm just going to remove this. With the brushes in, we have this brush holder. It's so cute. There we go. I have my latest makeup brush holder, and as you can see, I really just love the gold and the white. I just had to change it. I had to change this one into gold and white. If you have brushes that are way longer, like my painting brushes, then you can make a brush holder that suits them, like what I have. If you love them, share with somebody who actually needs to create one for themselves. That is it for me. I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you're going to upcycle your bottles, turn them into cute makeup brush holders. You can actually use them for anything that needs some holding. Yeah, just let your imagination take over and be creative and just have fun. So until the next one, peace, love, and makeup.